Attorney, what if nag-comment lang sa post? So yung question niya is related dun sa previous video natin about cyber libel. So nagtatanong siya, if nag-comment ka lang sa alleged defamatory post online, pwede ka rin bang maging liable for cyber libel? Well, depende to sa context ng comment mo. So take note that there was a case, the case of Dicini versus Executive Secretary, ang sabi ng Supreme Court sa kasong ito na mere sharer or mere liker sa isang alleged defamatory post online, no, is not liable for cyber libel or cannot be held liable for cyber libel. Sabi ng Supreme Court, dahil daw there's still no law that punishes the act of mere liking or mere sharing of the alleged defamatory post. So, ibig sabihin, wala pa tayong batas na nagpaparusa na sa mga nagla-like or nag-share sa isang defamatory post online. Ikalawa, ang sabi ng Supreme Court, yung mga nag-share or yung mga nagla-like, they are not considered as author of the alleged defamatory post online. So that's why hindi sila pwedeng maging liable for cyber libel. Now, what if nag-comment ka? So, we have to qualify your comment, no? If yung comment mo is sumang-ayon ka lang dun sa post, then hindi siya magiging libelous statement kasi that is part of your constitutional right to freedom of expression. Pero kung yung comment mo, it can be considered as libelous or defamatory kasi yung comment mo napahiya yung taong subject ng defamatory statement, may mga libelous statement or defamatory remarks na kanang sinabi dun sa comment mo, then yes, pwede kang maliable for cyber libel. Okay, so I hope that's clear and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.